The warning VSA System Malfunction in your Honda HR-V means that the Vehicle Stability Assist, which is what VSA stands for, doesn't function properly. The VSA system doesn't have a dedicated sensor or control module. It just gathers information from various systems and acts through the ABS system to stabilize the car when it's about to lose traction on the road. So basically, there are three main culprits of this warning. First of all, this message may be triggered by low tire pressure or a faulty TPMS system. If the control units in your Honda don't know the tire pressure or see low pressure in one of the wheels, the VSA will be deactivated and you'll see the warning. Also, you will see the TPMS light along with it, and it's a good hint that you need to check tire pressure or maybe replace the sensors in the tires. Secondly, the failing ABS system will lead to the VSA malfunction warning. If one of the wheel speed sensors stops sending readings, the VSA will stop working to avoid bad inputs. Actually, it's easy to spot because you will also have the ABS light illuminating on the dashboard. There is nothing much to worry about. You can still drive on your own. Just be careful, especially if the road is slippery. After reading the codes with a good scanner, you can easily identify which wheel malfunctions and just replace the faulty sensor. Fortunately, the repairs are not that expensive in this case. Lastly, the VSA also relies on the steering angle sensor readings. This is the sensor located just behind the steering wheel. If you scan the vehicle and get the codes pointing at the sensor, first take off the plastic trim on the steering column and have a good look at the wires and connections. Sometimes it's a disconnected plug or a broken wire that causes the problem. If the wiring looks good, you can just replace the steering angle sensor. Unfortunately, this is not a DIY job since the steering wheel with the airbag will need to be taken off, and you need some tools and experience for that. But fortunately, the TPMS or ABS problems are much more common in Honda cars, so hopefully the steering angle sensor is fine in your vehicle.